Alright, so, ayan, 9 map maze, and play na tayo. But, there was a problem finding this server. We were unable to connect you. So, can we not play this game? I don't know.
What? He tried it.
Let's see. Let's go to mob maze.
Nope.
What up guys, welcome back sa panibagong video. In today's video, we're back on Minecraft. In today's video na to ay maglalaro naman tayo ng panibagong server. So nakikita nyo yan. At ito ay Mob Maze. So kailangan nyo, wala yan. So itong Mob Maze na to ay meron tayong server description. So basahin muna natin siya. Enter a super-sized maze filled with giant mobs, traps, and co-op puzzles. Team up to gather loot, unlock powerful abilities, and fight to survive before time runs out. Can you survive? Can you escape the maze? So ayan, so meron tayong ayan malilito. Gather loots, enter the maze, complete puzzle. Complete puzzle together. Kung nakikita niyo yan, kung kaya ba. And become the ultimate survivor. So, simulan na tayo. Alright. So, ayan. 9 mob maze and play na tayo. But, there was a problem finding this server. We were unable to connect you. So, can we not play this game? I don't know.
What? He tried it.
Let's see. Let's go to mob maze. Let's play.
Nope.
Hindi ko alam kung anong pwede laruin ko dito. So, we can play Soul Steel or Enchantment. Oh, wait. This is have high ping. So, ito low ping siya. You need to survive. And, sa tingin ko, ito na lang ulit. Dahil, so, ito yung pinaka-low ping at ang dami naglalaro. So, sa tingin ko, dahil ang dami naglalaro dito, ito yung pinaka-lower ping kaysa sa dito. Kaya ang konti naglalaro. So, dito na natin. Okay. Maghihintay na naman ba tayo ng 5 minutes? Or hindi? What? The game version you are using is out of date. And update your game to the latest version and try again. Version is out of date. Wait, so sa tingin ko yung so this is me. Yeah, that's mine. So sa tingin ko, itong Minecraft na to ay out of date. So ayan ako, 9 yung pangalan ko at wait, what's this? Our favorite winter build. Okay. Whoa, that's cool. What's this? What's that, bro? So sa tingin ko, ang gagawin ko lang muna ngayon ay mag-create tayo ng world. Okay, let's create world and let's go to creative mode. Let's go to flat. Where's the advanced? Flat world. There we go. Let's go to flat world. Classic. Whoa. No, not water world. Whoa.
A few moments later.
Oh. So yeah, ayun na lang ang gagawin natin. Tayo ay magbe-build na lang tayo. Itong flat world na to. What? Tayo na magbe-build dito ang aking room. Okay, so how do we here. So what is this again? Let's go to here. What's this? Oh, that's ores. Let's go to Oh, I need to, here, there we go. So, tignan ko muna kung ano to. So, this is like clay, like gray, I don't know. I don't know if this is gray or not. But we need white. We need white concrete. Yeah, we need that. But what is this? I think this is close enough. I think. Is this the one? No, 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 no. I think this is it. This is the one. This is the one. So mag-ano muna tayo. Ayusin muna natin yung mga kailangan natin. So, yes, kailangan natin 'yan, and we need black for our monitor. Okay, and we need where is the yellow one? Here it is. This is not like yellow concrete. I'm looking at the doors, bro. Nothing enough. We need brown. I think we need yellow. So, sa tingin ko, kailangan ko talaga yan. And I need... I'm looking around. And I see... Count ba yung electric pan namin? Count ba ito? I think... Yeah. So, ayun lang. What do we need more? So, this is... What's this? What is this color? I think this is, yeah, this is the one. This is gray concrete. This is gray. So what do we need? I'm looking around, and yeah. So yun lang. Okay, let's start building. Right. Wait, let me try. Now. Okay, so dito tayo. Kasi nasira ko yan. So dito tayo. Okay, and okay, so let me start building the door right here. So sa tingin ko, wag ko lakihan yung bahay. Yeah. So kailangan ko ng yellow. Yeah, I need the yellow one. Let's place it. Let's make it like that. I don't know. Because this door is big. I gotta lie, this door is big. Let me do it again. Let me put it like that. Yeah. That works. Okay. So we need to make it. Yeah. We need to make it go up. I need to spam so hard. What? There we go. Okay, we need to go here. Let's down. Ouch. And okay, and then we need to go right here, and then go here, and then we need to go right here. Yun, sakto. Wow. Okay, so that is the main floor. Ang main floor naman. Ito ang pinto natin. So, okay na yan. Ganyan ang magiging room. Simula dyan hanggang dito ay ng room natin. Okay. So, hindi ito yung room. Ito yung labasan. At ito yung magiging room natin. Yan. Okay, so what do we do? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. We need to make it 4. Wait, no. I need this, and then I need to put it, I think, right here. Yeah. Oh, what? Guys, kung hindi nyo alam kung ano ginagawa ko, just trust the process. Alright? Trust the process. So we need like, I think that's ano. Sa tika madami yan. Okay, so gawin na natin siyang dalawa. Okay na yan, mga dalawa. Oh, wait, no, not that. Okay, so tingnan natin. So ito ay medyo malapit siya sa baba. So 1, 2, 3. And this is 4, I think. Oh, malaki yun eh. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So ito lalakihan pa natin yan. Okay. So let's go here. Okay. So ilan to? Hindi. Dapat tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's good enough. I think. Bruh. There we go. And then let's go here. Okay. Oh, what? Oh. Alright. Let me break that. And then. Alright. So, yun. Okay. I'm seeing it, but I am not looking at it right now. So, siya ay medyo malayo. So, ito, mali yan. Mali ito yung ginagawa natin dyan. Hindi siya magkalapit. Siya ay nandito dapat. So, ayusin na natin yung mamaya. Kailangan muna natin. Yan na. Okay. What? What? No. There we go. Sa tingin ko, mas maganda. Guys, ano sa tingin ano mas maganda? Ito? O itong dalawa? Yeah, so ito ay so thin. So sa tingin ko, ito ay mas maganda na isa lang. What? No. What? Isa pa. There we go. And then, we need to break this. Wait. Oh. What? I'll break this. Wait lang. There we go. So, sa tingin ko, okay na yan. Yeah. So, wait. I need to... Yeah, magkakagaya sila. So, ito ay hindi magkakaya dito. So, 1, 2, 3. So, kailangan natin ay... What? No. Ba't ako nababa? Guys, sorry. Kakaano ko lang ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that's 4, 5, 6. So, that. And then... I'm gonna put it right here. There we go. What? No. Mali. Okay, there we go. So, let's see. Okay. What? What the? Ba't tuloy again ito? Yan. Dapat. Yan. Okay. So, yan. At medyo pa siya mataas. Tataasan pa natin to. Sabi ko, maliit lang yung gagawin natin. But, yeah. It's too late. So, I need to make it 7 times. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. Bro. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. So let's see. Oh no. Nagabi na. Wait, can we... Okay, so umaga na ulit. So ganyan siya. So ganyan yung mukha niya. Yan. So siya ay 1... Wait. Oh. Bakit ito ay medyo malayo dito? So, bakit medyo malayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Medyo malayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. This one. Okay. So, umadjust tayo ng konti. Okay. So, sa tingin ko okay na. Okay. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung mukha niya ng pintuan namin. Pero, hindi pa ganyan kasi ayusin pa natin to. So, So, sa tingin ko, we need to make it like 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I think it's 3. Yeah, it's 3, it's 3. So, we need to make it here. 1, 2, 2, 3, and then go down. Okay. And then, okay, wait lang. Okay, and put it right here. There we go. Okay, so let's see if that's correct. Okay. So sa tingin ko parang ano to, parang machine dun sa mga may mga pagkain. Okay, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's put it 1, 2, 3. What? Not 4. 3. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, baba. Taas tayo. Let's see. Alright. So, okay na siya. So, sa tingin ko, madami yung episode na may lalagay dito. Kasi, gagawin natin ang bahay ngayon. Hindi na tayo maglalaro. Tayo na ay maggagawa ng bahay natin sa Minecraft. So, sa tingin ko matatagalan tayo dito. Sa tingin ko, matatapos ko muna dito ay ang pinto. Sa tingin ko na naman. Ano tayo dito? Ano tayo dito? Tapusin ko muna ang pintuan bago ang room. Sa tingin ko. So, oh my God, I can't think. What's in my mind, bro? So, tatapusin ko muna ang pinto sa episode na to at next ay yung wall naman. Okay, tapos na yung mga sinasabi ko. Di ako mapagsalita. Okay, that's the one layer. We need to make it more. Gagawa na naman tayo ng layer na naman yan. At guys, kung hindi nyo alam, ito ay hindi ganyan. Ito ay hanggang dito. So, 1, 2, 3. Hanggang dyan yan. So, naglagay ako nyan para hindi ko na makalimutan. Okay, so, taas tayo. Alright, after 5 minutes, I think, natapos na din natin to. Pero, hindi pa natin natapos ito. So, we're gonna do that right now. Alright, so na ito na siya. Ito ay okay na at ito ay wala pa. Oh, I can speak. Wait lang. Sorry. So guys, kung hindi nyo alam, nagkamali ako dito. Kailangan pala ito ay nasa loob. So maglalagay tayo ng dito, ng dalawa. Maglalagay tayo dyan ng, i-break natin yan. At ito ay nasa loob. Okay? So, i-break natin itong mga to. Okay? So, yan, yan ganyan yung mukha niyan. At lalagyan natin yan ng, wait, so, tama ba ako? So, sa tingin ko mali ako niyan. Ito, kailangan ko niyan ay lagyan nito hanggang dito. So, lagyan natin yan. Oh, wait. My fingers is hurting so bad. So, ito ay tatanggalin na natin yan. So, testing lang to, testing. Let me just test this out. Nawala yan. Okay. There we go. Bruh. Stop. Just go up, bro. Just go up. It's not that hard. Just go up. Bruh. What are you breaking it? What? Okay. So, ganyan. Oh, okay. I got an idea. I got an idea. So, tanggalin na natin yan. And, lagyan na natin to ng mga ganito. And, sa tingin ko, pas maganda. Wait. Let's just go here for a second. So, wait. Ganun ba yan? No. So, tama ba? Let's see. Sa tingin ko, yeah. Yan, ganyan. So, guys, ano ba sa tingin nyo? Mas maganda ba may ganun? Or, ganito na lang? Yan, gusto ba ganyan? Yeah. Pero, lagyan natin ito. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, gawin na natin yan dito. Mas madali lang yan. So, let's break all this. Wait. Kasi okay na yan. And then, watch. Boom. See? Ganyan yan. So, meron tayo dito. At, yeah. At, wala pa tayo dito sa kabila. Kung hindi nyo alam kaya ako nakikita na meron tayong ganyan, ay, wait, so meron ba talaga kami ganyan? Wait lang guys. Okay. So, nakabalik na ako. Meron talaga. Meron ganun. So, lalagyan din natin ito. Pero, bago yun, ano man natin yan? What? So, hanggang saan? Equip muna natin yung ano. Wait, so, bilangin muna natin to. Dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 siya. So, dito din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hindi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the one. And then, do. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so where is, ito. Lagyan natin yan. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the one. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes. So yeah, ayan na. And wait, ito ba? What? No, baliktad. There we go. So yan. Pero ito ay hindi pa. So let's close this for one tap. Okay. Yan. So tingnan natin dito. Yan. So ayan yung pinto at meron na naman tayo dito. Meron din tayo dito. So ayan. Meron tayo dito. What the? Bakit hindi ito magkakapantay? Okay. So ganyan ko lang para kung magkakapantay sila. Okay dito. Oh, ito pa. Sa taas pa pala. Pero dito, wait. So ito, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hanggang dito siya. Hanggang dito. Tama. Doon na. Doon na lang. So, tanggalin natin yan. Ito. Tanggalin natin yan. There we go. Much better. Okay. So, yan. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng handle dito. And maglalagay tayo dito ng, ano nga tawag dito? Lock. Pero, yeah guys. So, malapit na tayo magwa 1 hour na agad.
Nigga, what?
So, yeah. Ilalagay na natin to sa next episode. So, guys, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, please subscribe and hit that like button. And, turn the notifications on. At, yeah, share na, mag-comment naman kayo kung ano next na laruin ko. Ayun lang. Bye!
Wait so we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know